When you are in active participation in any forum, and we are looking at the Internet Marketing Forum, the Warrior Forum, you can get traffic back to your website by being helpful to people, by posting your comments to them and giving them insight on what you know. Now, in the Warrior Forum, you can see this at work when people have links back to their website or to their offers in their signature file. And so what you're trying to do here is you're trying to build credibility with your post. Now, you should give a helpful response that does not necessarily drive people back to your website. Now, you are obviously wanting people to see you. You want people to take a look at what you have, but that should not be the point of what you're commenting on. That should not be the point of how you're helping people. You should be helping people to get the best possible information in what your response is going to be. You will then get traffic back to your website. Now, obviously, there are going to be ways that you're going to do a little bit of both. You're going to be steering people to your website with your response, and there are going to be ways in which you are going to be showing people that you have authority. But this is a great way to get traffic back to your website regardless of what niche you're in. Find online forums to participate in, give helpful responses, put the link to your website in your signature file, and then people will then click your links and then go back to your site. Now, I'm going to show you how this works inside of the Warrior Forum. I am in the screen called Edit Signature. You can reach that by, in this particular form, with this form software, you can do this by going to your user control panel, going to Edit Signature, and you're just going to write in your response. So, for instance, you can write in, see the best tutorials on prospecting. And then all you do, highlight that, or maybe center it, and then you're going to click the link, and then you're going to put whatever your URL is. And then that'll give you a way to put that into your signature file, and you will be then ready to then market. Every post that you post then will then be seen by people, and it will then literally be clicked on by some who are curious about what you do. They'll be curious about where you are developing your business. And again, this is not just internet marketing. It's not just the make money online niche. This is going to be any niche that you do this in. You want to participate in this way in forums, but the best way is not to try to steer people back to your website with your response. Once again, in closing, the best way is to give them the best possible information that will then position you as an authority that people will want to come see your website. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.